In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Amazon app on Android. If you want the safest, easiest way to get the official Amazon shopping experience on your phone, this walkthrough is for you. We'll focus on the recommended method using the Google Play Store, and I'll share a couple of important safety tips and a quick alternative if the app isn't available in your region. The Google Play Store is the best place to download the Amazon app because apps there are scanned by Google Play Protect, which helps keep malware off your device. You also get automatic updates, so the app stays secure and runs smoothly without extra work from you. Here's how to do it. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Amazon Shopping. You'll see results appear. Look for the official Amazon app. It will be clearly labeled by Amazon, and you'll notice it has hundreds of millions of downloads, a strong sign you're in the right place. Tap the app to open its page, then tap Install. Your phone will download and install it in the background. Give it a moment to finish. Progress will appear at the top of your screen, and that's it. You've got the official Amazon app on your device. With the app installed, you can browse and shop millions of products, compare prices, save items to your cart or wish list, track your orders, and get notified about deals. It's designed to make everything from everyday essentials to big-ticket items easy to find and manage on the go. A few safety reminders as you download. Always use trusted sources like the Google Play Store to avoid risky, modified apps. Keep Google Play Protect turned on in your Play Store settings so it can regularly scan for threats. When you search, double-check the developer name and the familiar Amazon icon to make sure you're selecting the real app. Also, a stable internet connection and enough storage space will help the install complete without hiccups. If the app doesn't appear in the Play Store due to regional availability or device limitations, there is an alternative: installing the app via an APK file. Only consider this if you understand the risks and be extremely cautious. Avoid unofficial mirrors and anything that seems modified. The best practice is still to use the Google Play Store whenever possible. Quick answer to wrap up. The safest, easiest option is the Google Play Store. If it's not available there, an APK install can be a fallback, but prioritize safety above all. Enjoy shopping and tracking your deliveries with confidence.